Go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Afro News South Africa. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Hit on the notification bell to get the latest videos. Thank you. Ramaphosa utilized the January 8 proclamation to stamp his clout on the ANC as well-spoken and influential pioneer. He at present has not known opponents with inescapable help. President Cyril Ramaphosa conveyed a discourse to stamp the commemoration of the development of the African National Congress, over which he additionally manages as president. However, long it is the administering party, its 8 January proclamation concerns its individuals and reporters as well as every South African. Breaking down the discourse requires the acknowledgement that the ANC is in probably the highest corner it's been in since driving the primary majority rule government in 1994. Ramaphosa's exhibition should be perceived in this specific circumstance. He became leader of the ANC in 2017 by a rather flimsy larger path. Expert Magashule of the contradicting group won the vital post of Secretary General with controls over branches. In the mediating 5 years, Magashule has needed to move to one side because of indictment for debasement. The following elective meeting will be held in December, and Ramaphosa will represent reappointment as party president. Magashule is good and gone. His judicial actions will delay a long way, keeping him out of force. In the particular instance of January 8 proclamation, the draft has additionally been endorsed by the ANC's National Executive Committee, which numbers north of 80 individuals. Ramaphosa referenced the NEC had taken this assertion through 15 corrections. Ramaphosa noticed that 10 million South Africans had profited from the Social Relief of Distress Awards, while 550,000 had been utilized in brief open works open doors. He proposed an 8-year intent to be classified, Vision 2030, to handle joblessness and destitution.